if you're getting started and you're still looking for product ideas, let me just sort of show you guys here. This is just something, have a look at this, right? You do not want to be jumping on products like this, all right? Branded products, Disney products. You don't want to be jumping on products that have logos, Adidas, Nike, you know. If you want to sell Schwartz crystals, you can't sell that sort of stuff on Amazon if you don't have the exclusive or the distribution agreements. That's what you need. I had a call the other day from, I think it's from someone who actually invented something, but they wanted to put like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles like logo on it, and I said, hey, you know, don't do that. It's illegal, right? So they can come after you with intellectual property, they can come after you with, you know, trademarks, so infringing trademarks. So do not jump on products like this, stuff that is branded. Like including, if you scroll down here, even things like Barbie, right? Like avoiding Barbie products or branded products like that, because that will get you in hot water as well. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, right? Same thing. Do not jump on products like that. Anything branded, stay away from. Years ago, we had quite a few people who wanted to bring in these jet skis. They're called the Seawoo? Yeah, I think the Seawoo jet skis, right? And again, big problem, right? Because they were branded. All right? I remember years ago, actually, I used to run seminars in this place right here. Have a look at that. That's the Hong Kong house. And not many people know that this building is actually owned by Hong Kong, all right? It's actually at the QBB right here. Hong Kong own the entire building, okay, the entire building. And I used to run seminars. HKTDC, the Hong Kong Trade and Development Council, is also up there, and I used to run seminars up there teaching people how to trade with Hong Kong and basically encouraging trade and participation and a partnership with Hong Kong. So I don't run any events there anymore, but again, it's the same sort of principle. But we actually had people who want to bring in Seawoo jet skis from Hong Kong as well. Again, guys, big no-no. So if you took anything away from today's video, that is, do not go after branded products. Bring in your own brand. You might as well bring in your own brand. You might as well sell your own brand. Right? Why would you sell someone else's product? Okay, bring in, build your own business, sell your own branded product. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye-bye for now.